Welcome back. It's now time for your midday sports. TVJ Gardens kicked off the 2023 Jamaica Premier League season with a commanding 3-0 win over Waterhouse at the National Stadium on Sunday. After dominating the opening exchanges, TVJ took the lead in the 30th minute through Howard Morris. And things got worse for Waterhouse when Justin Dunn made it 2-0 just a minute later to see the West Kingston's team going into the break with a comfortable advantage. And after coming onto the pitch just in the 50th minute, it took just 10 minutes for Shaquille Jones to score TVJ's third goal to complete the opening day rout as he netted in the 50th. Meanwhile, in other action on the day, Humber Lion left it late to eke out a 1-0 win over newcomers Treasure Beach at the Effortville Community Centre. And in a doubleheader at Draxhall this evening, another newcomer, in a doubleheader at Draxhall yesterday evening, another newcomer in Limehall Academy held former champions Montego Bay United to a 0-0 draw, while defending champions Mount Pleasant clipped former champions Portmore United 1-0 through Gawain Austin's 25th minute goal. And this evening, the league continues with Malines United facing Vere United and Arnett Gardens going up against Dunbeholden in a doubleheader at the Anthony Spalding Sports Complex. Now, Jamaica Football Federation JFF presidential aspirant Raymond Anderson has now voiced his opinion on the debacle between the JFF and the senior Reggae Girlz. The dispute has resulted in the players who went to the FIFA Women's World Cup in the summer making themselves unavailable for the FIFA window, resulting in a weakened side set to face Panama and Guatemala in the CONCACAF Gold Cup qualifiers. In a statement on Sunday, Anderson, who is a sitting JFF vice president, noted that he's dissatisfied with the current situation, describing it as an uncomfortable position. According to the experienced football administrator, there is a template in place on how to manage issues, arguing that it must be used to resolve the current impasse. Anderson closed his statement by reiterating that he has offered himself as a candidate in the upcoming elections and that the team led by him is hoping a solution can be reached soon. On Saturday, Labour Minister Pernell Charles Jr. indicated that the ministry is willing to offer advice and mediation to help settle the matter, which he described as one of national importance. The dispute involving the JFF and the history-making Reggae Girlz has been picked up by international media, including the BBC and ESPN. Now, 1992 winners Pakistan were upset by neighbours Afghanistan as they suffered an 8-wicket defeat in Chennai today in the ICC 50 over World Cup. Batting first, Pakistan were restricted to 282 for 7, with the captain Babar Azam top scoring with 74 and Abdullah Shafiq making 58. Afghanistan then cruised to victory at 286 for 2, with 3 of the 4 batters getting half-centuries. It's their second win from 5 matches, as they've joined Pakistan on 4 points. They are, however, 6th in the standings behind Pakistan, who are 5th, based on net run rate. The top 4 teams will qualify for the semi-finals. And that's it for your midday sports. Shamela?
Thank you, Jordan. And that's the Midday News. I'm Shamela Pullen. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports and production teams, good afternoon.